What's up, my mighty kings and queens? This is 5 tips on making your first YouTube video thumbnail with no experience. I'm gonna show you 5 or so tips on making your first YouTube video thumbnail. If you have no experience doing it, you're gonna learn something today. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Mighty Influencer. My name is Malcolm. If this is your first time here, welcome. Mighty Influencer is all about motivating, inspiring, and encouraging you to become your best self, earn an income online, and grow your online presence. And if this is you, we would love to have you in our community. So first of all, go ahead and hit that like button. Then you want to subscribe and tap that bell so that you don't miss the next Mighty Influencer video. Tip number 1 is you want to plan out your thumbnails. Look at other YouTube videos, especially the ones that are in the same niche as yours. Look at those videos and see how those creators have created their thumbnails and what makes them stand out. Take note of the colors, take note of the expressions, the poses, anything that you can grab onto to help you when you plan your thumbnails. After you've planned, you want to take a whole day at least, and you want to shoot all of your thumbnails. Take all your outfits, all the looks that you want to do, and shoot your thumbnails. Tip number 3, when you shoot your thumbnail pictures, you want to shoot against a plain wall because it's easy to remove the white background or the plain background and place you in front of any other background. Solid backgrounds work best. Tip number 4, use props. Props like a cell phone or either a laptop, anything that will, show something really cool in your video. As long as it makes sense to use it, I would totally use it. For example, if you're doing something regarding Instagram or, Snapchat or TikTok or something, then you want to use a phone in your thumbnail because it shows like you're holding your phone out and you're doing something with your phone. If you're doing something on the computer, same things apply. You're doing something on your computer, you have your computer there and you take a picture or a screenshot or whatever with a picture with your computer. Tip number 5, less is more. And when I say less is more, I'm talking about the text that goes onto your thumbnail. Have you ever seen thumbnails with so much text that you can't even read it? But you see the others that have less text, but it's bigger so you can read everything? Well, that's what you want. You want to have less text and make it bigger so that people can easily read what your video is about or what you're trying to communicate in your thumbnail. Along with big text, emojis work really well. I've seen lots of videos where they have like those shocked and those laugh emojis. Really, really good. Tip number 6, use at least 2 colors that pop to make your thumbnail stand out. You can use 2 contrasting colors. I actually think that works best. So for example, if you are using blue in your thumbnail or blue is your text, then your thumbnail background should be like yellow or something so that it stands out. Or vice versa, if you have a blue background, then your text can be red, yellow, green, anything that's like just an opposite color, but just colors that go well together and then make your thumbnail stand out so that when people see it, they just click on it and their eyes just automatically attract to it. And keep in mind that there is no one right way to do your thumbnails, but if you just don't take any care into doing your thumbnails, then you can lose views because people won't really see your thumbnail, they won't pay attention to it, they'll just skip right over it. So there must be some care taken into your thumbnail. You don't have to make it a huge masterpiece, but you gotta put some thought into it, some care. If you look at some of the top YouTubers and some of your favorite YouTubers, you will notice a very striking thing on their channel. Most of their thumbnails, they're very uniform in their look. They all are designed exactly the same. Why is this? Because they figured out that by designing thumbnails like that particular way for their videos, it worked in enabling them to get the amount of views and the subscribers that they've gotten. So my advice to you is once you have found your design, your particular thumbnail that works good for your content, keep it and don't change it. Hopefully you found this video somewhat helpful. If you did, smash that like button. Also leave a comment down below. If you have questions about anything I mentioned in this video, leave that down below as well. I plan on creating a short video tutorial on creating a thumbnail for your YouTube video from start to finish, so be on the lookout for that. Also share this video with your friends and your family, anyone you know who's trying to start a YouTube channel but does not know where to begin. And don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so that you don't miss the next Mighty Influencer video. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.